If you look at what we did with the foreign exchange market, I told you that I was doing you a favor when I was talking about domestic currency a few months ago. It's coming, it has come. RTGS dollars, whether you like the name or not, is domestic currency now. Please respect it, support it. I and the governor will defend its value. That's our job. Defend its value so that we have value. So I want to explain that we are creating this market-led economy, private sector-led economy, brick by brick, and they should invest in Zimbabwe. I keep saying, I was saying it on Bloomberg, I've said it in CNN with Richard Quest, that Zimbabwe is the cheapest buy in Africa in terms of investors. And it has gotten cheaper because they were coming at 1 to 1. Now they're coming at 1 to 2.5 or wherever the exchange rate is headed. And by then it can go anywhere. It is the business of the market to take the exchange rate wherever it wants because it is the market after all. Our job is to manage volatility, but not the level. Those of you who did statistics, that is the difference between standard deviation and the mean. We manage standard deviation and not the mean. It can go anywhere. The mean can trend upwards or downwards. So also as